We once attended a certain conference with some men of God, and we were almost done at Living Waters. So we attended this conference. So my team, they were busy looking for nice chairs. My pastors are going to
Where's the reserve seating for pastors?
And I said to one of my friends there, I said, guys, as long as we are here and we are inside, we get to hear. You see, there are speakers here.
No, where the pastors sit.
Then I sneaked away, went to a certain place I sat, and I saw them scouting for places.
They were walking around like they were shepherds.
So I don't know which
corner they found, and then they all sat there.
while the speaker was about to be introduced,
Then I saw them all being asked to stand up.
so
They were taken to sit in the very back.
Ndikati Tsvatu.
And I said, there you go.
Kurugara mafundisi ndekupi?
Where do pastors sit?
Ndimadedzwe.
Have you been invited here?
Kahanga.
It's a hunger.
I've been trying to fast it and kill it. Back then, kana wazowana wakuziva kutora akakuti uyogara.
And then when somebody finally comes and recognizes you and asks you to come and sit there,
The better. Pakazoya mwanda kukusumudza iye akugarisa apa ndiye anokuprotecta kuti ndindamisa ipapo.
and then if somebody should want to remove you from that seat, the one who seated you there should protect you.
But ukapawana wega,
But if you find that seat for yourself,